Hello and welcome to Senior Health Over 60, your trusted source for real, empowering, and practical health advice for those of us in our golden years. Whether you're 60, 70, or well into your 80s, this channel is here to help you feel strong, vibrant, and connected to the life you still deserve to live. Let me begin with a truth you've probably heard too many times. As we age, we slow down, energy fades, intimacy becomes a memory. But today, I want to challenge that idea. Because what if I told you that something as simple and as sweet as fruit could change how you feel in your own body? What if 4 everyday fruits could help improve your circulation, bring back your spark, and even rekindle a sense of intimacy you thought had quietly faded? I know how that sounds. I'm not here to sell magic pills or empty promises. I'm a doctor. I've spent more than 30 years working closely with older adults across the country. And over those decades, I've seen one clear truth rise above the rest. Our bodies still want to respond. They just need the right kind of support. Here's the surprising part. In so many cases, that support doesn't come from prescriptions or procedures. It comes from what we put on our plate, from the foods that nourish us deeply and naturally. Today's video isn't just about nutrition. It's about hope. It's about connection. It's about waking up and realizing you are not finished. You are still capable of feeling joy, desire, and deep emotional closeness. And you can do that without extreme diets, complicated routines, or expensive treatments. Now, before we get into the juicy details, and yes, we are talking literal fruits, I want to ask one small favor. If this topic speaks to you, if you're ready to feel better, live fuller, and maybe even reconnect with yourself or your partner in a new way, please hit that like button, subscribe to Senior Health Over 60, and share this video with someone you care about. It helps us reach more wonderful folks just like you, and it keeps us inspired to continue creating content that truly matters for our community. All right, are you ready to discover these 4 powerful fruits and how they can support your energy, your confidence, and your most intimate relationships? Let's begin. Grapes Part 1, the science of aging and blood flow. Now, before we dive into the fruits themselves, let's take a moment to understand why this even matters. Because when it comes to energy, connection, and intimacy in our later years, the real conversation starts with one word: circulation. See, as we age, something subtle but important begins to shift inside our bodies. The blood vessels, those vital highways that carry oxygen and nutrients to every cell, begin to lose their flexibility. They get stiffer, narrower, slower. It's not something you feel overnight. But over time, you might notice cold hands and feet, mental fog, fatigue that settles in earlier than it used to, and yes, a change in how your body responds during intimate moments. Here's the thing most people don't realize. When blood doesn't flow freely, everything else starts to feel disconnected too. Your energy, your emotions, even your desire for closeness, they're all tied to how well your blood is moving. That's where many people think the only solution is medication. And in some cases, sure, medication has its place. But too often, we turn to pills before we look at what we're feeding our bodies every day. Now here's where it gets encouraging. You don't need to overhaul your life to start feeling better. Small, smart choices, the kind you make at the grocery store or in your kitchen, can have a powerful effect, especially when it comes to fruits that work with your circulation, not against it. I once had a patient, a 68-year-old woman, who told me she thought her days of intimacy were over. She felt tired, detached, like something inside her had quietly shut down. We started by focusing on circulation. Within a month of adjusting her daily nutrition, she came back smiling. "I feel like I woke up," she said. And she had, not just physically but emotionally too. That's the power of blood flow. And that's what today's fruits are here to help you reclaim. Ready to meet the first one? Let's talk about red grapes. Grapes Part 2. Red grapes, the flow restorer. Let's begin with a fruit you've probably had 100 times without ever realizing what it was quietly doing for your health. Red grapes. Yes, those tiny, sweet clusters sitting on your kitchen counter could be doing far more than satisfying a snack craving. In fact, red grapes are one of nature's most powerful allies when it comes to restoring healthy blood flow, especially in the lower parts of the body where circulation tends to suffer most as we age. The key here is a natural compound called resveratrol. It's found in the skin of red grapes, and what it does inside your body is pretty remarkable. Resveratrol helps relax the inner lining of your blood vessels, allowing them to expand and carry more oxygen-rich blood to where it's needed most: your muscles, your brain, your heart, and yes, your intimate areas. For older men, this isn't just good news, it can be life-changing. Healthy circulation is the foundation of erectile function, and resveratrol works naturally with your body to support it. Unlike synthetic medications that force a response, grapes provide gentle, consistent support by boosting nitric oxide, a vital molecule for strong, lasting blood flow. And for women, the benefits are equally powerful. Many of my older female patients talk about a sense of disconnection, not just emotionally, but physically, in their intimate lives. Often, this stems from reduced circulation in the pelvic region, leading to discomfort, coolness, or even a loss of sensation. Red grapes over time can help restore that warmth and responsiveness, bringing not just relief but renewed confidence. Let me share a quick story. One of my patients, a 72-year-old retired piano teacher, came to me looking for a gentle fix. She wasn't interested in medications, but she missed the closeness she once shared with her husband. We started her on a simple daily habit, a bowl of fresh red grapes, about 1 cup each afternoon. That's it. 3 weeks later, she returned with tears in her eyes and a smile that said everything. "We're holding hands again," she whispered, "and more. It's not magic, it's just good science, applied with consistency and care. You don't need a prescription for red grapes. You just need a habit, something as simple as rinsing off a bunch and keeping it ready in the fridge." Over time, this daily act becomes more than just a snack. It becomes a quiet way of saying to your body, "I still care. I still want to feel connected. I still believe in what's possible." So, if you've been feeling colder than usual in your hands, feet, or even in your relationship, don't ignore it. Start with something small, something sweet, something your body will recognize as nourishment, not medicine. And red grapes, they're a delicious place to begin. Cherries Part 3. Cranberries, the kidney and confidence guardian. Now let's shift to a fruit that often gets overlooked until Thanksgiving rolls around. But trust me when I say, cranberries deserve a lot more attention than just one holiday meal a year. If red grapes are about flow, cranberries are about cleansing and protection, especially when it comes to your kidneys and urinary tract. And for anyone over 60, that's not just a nice bonus. It's a necessity. You see, your kidneys are silent workers. They filter toxins, regulate blood pressure, and keep your internal systems humming. But as we get older, kidney function often begins to slow. And when that happens, it doesn't just affect your energy, it affects your intimacy. Here, why. When toxins build up in the bloodstream due to sluggish kidney performance, it can cause inflammation in the urinary tract, bladder, and surrounding pelvic tissues. That inflammation leads to discomfort, reduced sensitivity, and for many men, a noticeable decline in stamina and erection strength. For women, it can show up as dryness, irritation, or a general sense of not quite right. That's where cranberries step in. Cranberries are loaded with natural compounds called proanthocyanidins, which help reduce inflammation and support a clear, healthy urinary tract. But they do more than prevent discomfort. They actually help support blood vessel health in and around your most sensitive areas. One of my longtime patients, a 66-year-old retired librarian named Carol, had spent years battling low energy and recurring UTIs. She described her marriage as warm but distant, and shared that intimacy had become too uncomfortable to even consider. We didn't start with prescriptions. We started with half a cup of unsweetened cranberry juice in the morning. That's it. 4 weeks later, she looked years younger, not because of some miracle cure, but because the discomfort was gone. She smiled and said, "We're not just roommates anymore." For men, cranberries also support healthy blood pressure and help sustain nitric oxide levels, critical for performance and satisfaction. And here's something that gets overlooked. By helping your kidneys filter more efficiently, cranberries actually take pressure off your heart and improve your circulation overall. It's a domino effect of healing. So how do you make cranberries part of your routine? Easy. You can mix a splash of unsweetened juice into your morning water. Toss a handful of dried cranberries into your oatmeal or salad, or enjoy them with a small piece of dark chocolate as an afternoon pick-me-up. Just make sure you're choosing low sugar or unsweetened options. Here's the takeaway. When you remove discomfort and inflammation, confidence returns. When your body feels safe and at ease, connection becomes natural again. Cranberries may be small, but their impact is mighty. They protect from the inside out, allowing you to feel cleaner, stronger, and more present in your own body. Orange Heart Part 4. Papaya, the hormonal awakener. Now let's move on to a fruit that feels like it was made for sunshine, not just in color, but in the way it makes you feel. Papaya. There's something special about this fruit. Maybe it's the soft orange glow, the tropical aroma, or how it melts on your tongue like a small, sweet vacation. But beyond the taste, papaya has something powerful to offer, especially for those of us navigating life past 60. Papaya is what I like to call a hormonal harmonizer. It doesn't just nourish your body, it helps your body remember how to balance itself again. And when we talk about intimacy, energy, and emotional closeness, hormones are the hidden levers running the show. One of the biggest struggles I see in both men and women in their later years is the slow but steady decline in motivation, vitality, and drive. You're eating right, walking every day, and still, you just feel flat. Sound familiar? That's where papaya comes in. Papaya is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, all of which support healthy hormone production. But its real magic comes from an enzyme called papain. This enzyme helps improve digestion, reduce internal inflammation, and most importantly, supports your adrenal glands. These little glands are responsible for your stress response and hormone regulation. When they're supported, you sleep better, think clearer, and feel more emotionally balanced. For older men, papaya helps boost testosterone naturally by improving how your body uses cholesterol, the raw material for many hormones. Better testosterone means better energy, sharper mental focus, and stronger, longer-lasting erections, all without any pills or side effects. For women, papaya is equally powerful. It supports estrogen balance and improves blood flow to the pelvic region, easing the dryness and discomfort that can come with age. It also soothes the nervous system, helping you feel more emotionally present during moments of intimacy instead of distracted or tense. I remember a gentleman named Ray, a retired school principal in his early 70s, who came to my office with that classic look, tired eyes, gentle frustration, and a quiet hope that maybe, just maybe, he could feel like himself again. His diet was clean, his walks were regular, but something was missing. We started small, 1 cup of fresh papaya in the morning with a spoonful of Greek yogurt. That was it. Within a few weeks, Ray returned with a spark in his step and a grin on his face. "Doc," he said, "I'm not saying I'm 25 again, but I'm showing up in ways I thought were long gone." That's the kind of change that papaya brings, not fireworks, but warmth. Not a jolt, but a steady return of energy and connection. And here's the best part. Papaya is incredibly easy to work into your day. Just cut it open, scoop out the seeds, and enjoy it fresh. Mix it with your breakfast, blend it into a smoothie, or enjoy it solo as a midday refresher. You don't need a prescription. You just need a moment of intention. When we nourish our hormones gently, our bodies respond in kind, not with force, but with flow. So, If you've been feeling off, emotionally distant, physically sluggish, or just a little less you, papaya might be the missing ingredient your body has been waiting for. Cherries Part 5. Cherries, the intimacy booster. Now let's talk about a fruit that's often underestimated, but quietly extraordinary: cherries. There's something deeply comforting about a bowl of cherries. Maybe it's their soft texture, their rich red color, or the way you have to slow down and enjoy each one. Cherries don't rush. And perhaps that's the first clue about their real gift. They invite you to be present with your body, with your partner, and with yourself. As a physician, I've often told my patients that intimacy isn't just about function, it's about feeling. It's about warmth, openness, and emotional safety. And cherries support those experiences on a chemical level in ways most people never realize. These little fruits are rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that reduces inflammation in your arteries and improves blood vessel flexibility. That means blood can flow more freely, not just to your heart and brain, but to the intimate areas that support arousal, sensation, and connection. For men, this means stronger, more reliable blood flow to the penis without needing to rely on medications. And because cherries are also high in natural melatonin, they improve your sleep quality, and with better sleep comes better hormonal balance, improved mood, and a more responsive body. For women, the benefits are equally profound. Increased circulation to the pelvic region helps restore natural lubrication, ease discomfort, and rekindle sensitivity. But cherries don't just work on the body, they soothe the mind. They help quiet that inner voice of anxiety, stress, or distraction that so often pulls us away from our partners, even when we deeply want connection. Let me share a story. I once worked with a couple in their late 60s, married over 40 years. They still loved each other deeply, but something had shifted. The husband felt disconnected from his own body, sluggish, quietly grieving the passion that once felt effortless. His wife, kind and patient, missed their closeness but didn't want to pressure him. They weren't looking for a quick fix. They were looking for a gentle way back to each other. We started with something simple, a small bowl of fresh cherries after dinner every evening, like a shared ritual. 2 months later, they came into my office laughing, holding hands like teenagers. Not because cherries are a miracle, but because they supported the conditions where intimacy could bloom again. Better sleep, better blood flow, less inflammation, and more emotional openness. That's what cherries offer, not a jolt, not a gimmick, but a return to balance. A steady, calming influence that reminds your body and mind of what they're still capable of. So, how do you enjoy cherries? You can keep a bowl of fresh ones in your fridge during the season. Opt for unsweetened frozen cherries year-round. Or even enjoy a small glass of tart cherry juice in the evening to help wind down and prepare your body for restful sleep. Cherries are a quiet ally in your journey toward deeper connection, one bite at a time. Part 6. Integration and easy daily plan. Now that we've explored the unique powers of red grapes, cranberries, papaya, and cherries, let's bring it all together in a way that's not overwhelming, but sustainable. Because let's be honest, we've all tried health routines that start with good intentions and then fall apart within a week. The truth is, at this stage of life, we don't need more complexity. We need clarity, simplicity, and ease. Here's the good news. You don't have to eat all 4 fruits every single day. You don't even need to change your entire diet overnight. You just need to choose one place to begin. Pick the fruit that speaks to you most. Maybe it's the grapes in your fridge, the papaya you've been meaning to try, or that bottle of tart cherry juice at your local store. Then build a small ritual around it. That's how habits stick. Let me walk you through a simple day just to give you an idea. Morning. Start your day with half a cup of papaya mixed into your breakfast, maybe with Greek yogurt or oatmeal. It's light, energizing, and hormone supportive. Midday. Enjoy a small handful of dried cranberries tossed into a salad or eaten alone with some almonds.